I want nature them appreciate you very well. I see ni kiji malo mmadu ka ayeji malo gi. And when some of us say about education, you will take on your mother na after haru. I am not begging. I said not everybody will spray you money. And my like it transparent and I am not expecting everybody to spray me money. I brought man and check about going occasion, no matter who you are. You want to go? Man, it's so heartbreaking. Now money got by your occasion. Some people be on my wedding. Wedding unjegum, we go mania. Wedding unjegum, we go every single thing up to that wedding. I paid for it. Money around that wedding. All my money. You listen to me, watch Anya, just form a group now. A boy named Wedding now, boy. I didn't mezo. Now who support me, I go support. Now who spoil my own, I go spoil your own. I know they hide my own. I didn't pay Tioku. If they are my wedding, listen, new Jagom we see. One manamo, on a bugebu, will they form more round table. When Oludia, na bottle shouting on top of your voice, na any again, na divide my wedding. Everybody couple na buegu. I can remember those that came out from that table to support me. People like Annie Dons, Joseph Olonlo, Wagaji. Video after the man and then Kandi Juchem, man of that place, their support to Onyo to Hane Meife. So many content creators, the support you can give to me on my wedding day is for you to divide my wedding from your own group. Now shout to dear. Now funny again. Ili chalunim musiam manyam. Ili chalunimu musiam manyamu. When a messing button on my wedding. Now shout. Eben no na buegu. Well draw attention ebawa. Norize ko onye nzuzu. Anya ugo manya eligo nigi nwa manya gi. Iko ije malo mmadu ka ayeje malo gi. Mara malo na. Ina mi if you don't mother ada afogi mbosi nke gi hi melo mother ka ga emegi ma be the last person get jelo mother occasion ya support onya. It's not a must that you must support me. It's not mandatory that you must support me. But if you cannot support me in any way by spraying or anything, can't you just respect yourself? Pack your wageli better thing in eri than it be na cause nuisance. Now when the money talafu, we will lose 20-something million. Where me? So many of my men who say but when I see any kind of friends somewhere. So many of my guys were nowhere to be found. Because I needed people to help me share drinks, share food. Everybody name no basalolia. Manobulu nkonyo za mubeze geburi enis. I want to appreciate you guys. You divided my wedding. Just draw attention could name but to name na feni again mo abo onye nzuzu ade me so nke mezo if me to wore abo mi ilu mara amaro na mbosi nke ge you know me na ndi nga babo ihe ma babo be okesho ge bu ndi ogene ma obo ndi igba mma na course niza imam ofman onye ala ka mbu mana before you saga ala mma de show na isago mala the thing dey penum no bi abuni obu ni ga support with ego but the respect go no na wedding ebe no na agba egwu na form waterbu na aga ni egenu na enu nwa muguru na erisigo ni enwo mmanya ibe dizilu no be mkpoto that's only so obugodi ni mangalo mozi help am serve one mad even if you cannot spray me package your onwe nodu ebe na my wedding divide my wedding into two firo na mbo onye nzuzu onwero I just thank God in everything I go successfully. Actually the next person Unu makesi eme na onisha na abwere mo onisha film ekwata na ona eme ina eme ife otu ma na enyo gi ina eme mpianya mbosi nke ga eme gi ife ndi mpianya ina support mbosi nke ga support wo gi ina cause business mbosi nke ga ifu ndi agbolun ka tebili the next person abwere mo onisha film ekwata na ona eme and ejelem bandi mmadu onwere ni single woman build nje mo nya jebie I even build for myself. Come here, you tinyaru. Onye kwa the kind of men I na for been at my wedding. He been at my wedding. Divide their wedding into two. You support them financially. Oblo no Ezegetive. Respect kwa no wagi no family be in a room banko. It's all not dividing my wedding. Can I be the next person? We're gonna have different we're gonna group. Ndiala can match where it's a promise. And I'll do it. Anyway, I just want to thank those that came for me.
So, if person no come spray money for wedding now, na offense. Abi? MC Ezegetive, this has to be the most insensitive video you have ever made in your life. When has it become an offense that if anybody come to your wedding, the person must spray you money? And if the person did not spray money, then that person shouldn't attend that wedding. That is what you are trying to say. You just insulted the people that came out to support you. Even for Banza, not be everybody they spend money. Not be everybody. Most times you shouldn't allow your emotion to control you. But it's also clear that you made this video out of emotion. These guys came to your wedding. They left every other appointment. Everything they're supposed to do that day, they left it just to come and support their colleague who is doing wedding. Even if they did not spray money, spraying money is not the only way of supporting someone. Their presence there alone is something. Do you know the extent people goes? People even go as far as printing invitation card, buying drinks, buying gifts, just to go and invite people to their wedding. And now here you did not invite any of them. You did not even go to their house to beg them that, to tell them that you are doing wedding. No. They just saw that Ezegetive is doing wedding, and because Ezegetive is their colleague, they want to come and show their support. They attended the wedding. Maybe some of them don't even have the money to spray you. And you forgot that there is a new law that is against spraying of money. Now you want these guys to spray this money and spend 6 months in jail because of your wedding. But you are already in conclusion that they came to your wedding just to eat food and divide your wedding according to you. This is so uncalled for and embarrassing to everybody that attended at your wedding. And mind you, Igbo knows or demma agayanganabo. Oh, we wanted people to come and carpet the ground for you with money now. That is what you were expecting. The only issue you are having here now is that what you expected from your guys, they did not meet up to that expectation. You are not in anybody's pocket. And these are matured guys you are talking to like this. You are dictating to them what they're supposed to do in your wedding. So you are trying to tell me that they left their home because they want to come and eat food in your wedding. Ezegetive, this video, you just have to pull it down and apologize, to be honest. This is an insult to everybody that attended at your wedding. Very soon, you people will host an occasion. Nobody will come. It will be only you and your family. Because people are now trying to make it like if someone did not spray money in your wedding, that person shouldn't have been there. Look at what a mature guy like you is saying. You are insulting everyone that came to your wedding, that they did not spray money.